Hi, welcome to Pulpy Tamarind Channel. Today we'll be seeing how to make kebab from raw banana. We require 1 steamed and cooked banana, roasted jeera powder half teaspoon, red chilli powder half teaspoon, amchur powder 1 teaspoon, turmeric powder quarter teaspoon, salt as required, garam masala powder half teaspoon, ginger garlic paste 1 teaspoon, corn flour for paste, bread crumbs, fried chana dal powder 2 tablespoons, green chilies and onion cut minutely, green coriander, oil for deep frying. Take a raw banana and it should not be very tender, nor should be nearing the ripening stage, and put it in a pressure cooker, fill it with water, immerse it in water, and then cook it for till the pressure cooker gives 2 whistles. So then after that remove the peels and then mash it into a pulp. So this is what you have to do first, and if it's not easy to do with hands, do it with any instrument which is used for mashing. And then add half teaspoon of ginger paste and half teaspoon of garlic paste, and then add roasted cumin powder half teaspoon. So for that we need to dry roast the cumin seeds in a kadai till it's done, till it leaves its oil. Then you have to powder it in a mixie or in a blender. So that powder we need to take half teaspoon, and we also need to take garam masala powder again half teaspoon. Then we have amchur powder, which is dry mango powdered in a mill. So that powder is 1 teaspoon. These you may get in Indian stores in ready-made packets. And then we need to add other things like turmeric powder quarter teaspoon, red chilli powder half teaspoon, salt as per taste. Here we are taking half teaspoon. If you require more, you need to take more, and if you require less. Add the roasted Channa dal powder 2 tablespoons. So roasted Channa dal is powdered as it is in a blender or mixer and mixie and added it. Then add 1 medium-sized onion and one or 2 green chilies finely cut, and add green coriander leaves again finely cut 1 tablespoon. So add these things and mix well, and the raw banana as well as the raw chana dal powder both will act as binding agents. So once you have mixed all of them well, it will form a good tight dough. So from that you need to make some balls. As many balls as possible, you make them and keep them ready. And once all the balls have been made, then you need to make a slurry out of the corn flour, whatever corn flour amount you've taken. So the corn flour amount, there's no measurement because it can be 1 tablespoon or 2 tablespoons. It is, you need to add water and make a paste out of it. So once you make a paste out of it, what happens is we will dip these balls in the paste so that it gets a covering, and then we need to roll them in the breadcrumbs. So breadcrumbs we can make at home if you have bread at home. Even from fresh bread we can get breadcrumbs. We not just have to blend them, or if we have bread which is 2 or 3 days old or stale bread, even that makes a very good breadcrumb. Otherwise we can buy rusk from bakery and make crumbs out of that, or nowadays we get packets of breadcrumbs ready made in bakeries as well as in provision stores. So you can buy those and use them. So anyway, use the breadcrumbs. So first you need to dip them in the corn paste slurry and then roll it in the breadcrumbs. So this gives them a very good skin. So the rolls, the dough rolls that we made will once go into the corn flour paste and then get rolled in the breadcrumbs. So this will give them a cover which when deep fried will become very crispy and also become a great skin, so that the ball doesn't disintegrate. Now we have got a kadai, and we have used sunflower oil, refined sunflower oil for frying. And since here we are using a small kadai, we can't put more than 2 or 3 balls at a time, and we need to wait for the oil to be hot enough. And then once it's hot, we need to consistently maintain the heat at a medium stage, and then we'll try a tester. And if the ball doesn't disintegrate, then the oil is in the right stage, so we can start adding more balls. So now we are frying 2 balls, and once they are golden brown and they're fried, we'll remove them from the fire, and then after some time again add some more balls. We need to give some time so the oil regains its heat, and we need to not add more than what it's capable of frying at a time. So what happens is, if you add more, what will happen is the heat in the oil will become less, and the balls will just soak oil but not get cooked. So that will be a very soggy affair. So we need to see that the heat in the oil is always maintained. It's not too hot, because then everything will just get burnt. But we need to maintain one same level of heat in the oil. So one by one we'll fry all the balls, and once all the balls are fried, it's ready for eating. And these are recommended to be eaten only when they are hot, because they are not good when they are cold. So this is something which should be eaten as soon as it's cooked. So it is very tasty when it's hot, and you can add sauces or chutneys as accompaniments and have them. So here we have the raw banana kebab ready to eat and enjoy.
Thank you for watching Pulpy Tamarind Channel. Please subscribe, share, like, comment, and press bell notification. Thank you.